The question is no longer whether AI works. It's how to run more of it, reliably, securely, cost-efficiently, and at the next level of scale. The answer is HPE Private Cloud AI, co-engineered with NVIDIA and now available for testing at Digital Realty.
What we're unpacking here isn't just a bunch of components. This is an HPE Private Cloud AI cabinet. So you've got storage, compute, GPUs, networking, all fully integrated together, along with software on top to run everything, and it is ready to go.
Go from unboxing to inference in hours, not months. With the turnkey AI factory managed through the same control plane as your HPE hybrid cloud, even in air-gapped environments. Because AI workloads grow with engagement, HPE Private Cloud AI is built for you to start with a single developer unit and scale as your needs evolve. Offering one place to build models, create agents, connect your enterprise data, deploy production, and govern access and usage end to end. And as AI projects grow, the economics change too. The public cloud is a great place to start, but once AI moves into production, you're paying for every token that's generated. Owning the infrastructure flips that equation. The more you use it, the more cost-effective it becomes. HPE Private Cloud AI enables hundreds of NVIDIA blueprints and AI solutions across industries. And with GreenLake, you can run it in Digital Realty's optimized AI data centers around the world.
You get one piece of paper, one bill, full solution. So it really does make it easy for customers to build and then start monetizing AI.
Together, HPE and Digital Realty's innovation labs boost inference that scales. Agentic AI that you can see and trust.